AlgeBros and AlgeBabes. Professor AlgeBro here. Listen, we stopped at perpendicular lines and I started saying about the slope. Now, let's do a little review. If this is my slope, to find the perpendicular slope, I have to use, oh, by the way, this little upside down capital T is the denote perpendicular, okay? So we do the opposite reciprocal. I say that because we don't say negative reciprocal. It's the opposite reciprocal. So the opposite would be -3/2, okay? So everybody got that. So here we go. So we still have our point slope. And now what is the equation of the line through? Now, hopefully I didn't find one that works. All right, so here it is. It says, what is the equation of the line through 3, 4, perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x minus 1? Now, we need to have our players. We do the same concept. Once we find perpendicular, it's almost the same steps as when we did parallel. But first, we have to find our players. So this is x1 and y1 from our formula, okay? And now I'm looking for the slope that is perpendicular. Well, the slope perpendicular of 1/2 is going to be -2/1, or just -2, okay? Now, I'm going to plug and play. So this is going to be y minus 4 equals -2 times x minus 3. Okay, now, next, distributive property, y minus 4 equals -2x. Now, negative times a negative is a positive. And last but not least, I add 4. And I get y equals -2x plus 10. Okay? Now, I'm going to give you one to do, okay? So I know that's a lot of mess, but I'm going to give you one to do. And hopefully everything will be copacetic. All right. Okay, now what is the equation of the line through -1, 1 perpendicular to 2x minus 1? Okay, give you a chance to do that. Okay, so pause your video and we'll come back. Okay, we're back. So here we go. I'm going to label. Now, I have to find the perpendicular slope. Now, a whole number is 2/1, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2/1 and we're going to make it the opposite reciprocal, which is -1/2. Easy, right? So now we have our perpendicular slope. So now we're going to plug and play. Don't forget your signs. So this is going to be y minus 1 equals -1/2. Now, since the formula has a minus and that's a negative, we're going to say plus 1. Now, distributive property, y minus 1 equals -1/2 x minus 1/2. Not every problem is nice, okay? Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 1 to both sides, and I have y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. Now, a lot to take in. No matter where you go, math is there. Later, dudes! AlgeBros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Later.